Hi, my name's Gary Taylor, and I want to tell you or show you through React Router Miss. The previous tutorials we've created a React Router app, and you can check out details at the top. And this is an intro to a book that I'm currently writing, and hopefully once these videos are released, it will be available. Details coming to you at the top right now. So let's get right into it. We currently have a site set up where we've got navigation that we can move around, but something that's missing is what happens if the route isn't found. At the moment, because no routes are found and nothing matches, nothing is displayed. So what I want to be able to do is display a not found page. In order to do that, I'm going to be including a component from the React family called Miss. Now, Miss is a standard component, just like Link, that allows you to put to decide which component to load if a pattern hasn't been found. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a not found component, and there's nothing special here. We've just got not found. Sorry, but the page cannot be found. What we're going to do is render this Miss into our site. Right down at the bottom where we have all of our matches, and put it right at the end. It actually really doesn't matter. And then we're going to say what components we actually want to run or render. So now we've got that. Once we miss, we should have our not found. Sorry, but the page cannot be found. If we look at the others, we can see we can move around as you'd expect. And anything that we put in the top will actually have the same effect as not found. This is even true even if we try and load a link that doesn't exist. So if we try and say something like XXX, something that's missing, let's load that in. So we've got a link. Even though we're using the spare and the page isn't refreshing, when we hit it, we still get the not found. So it doesn't matter whether it's on an F5 complete page refresh or someone coming to your website clean from a link on another website. It will still work how you'd expect it to work. One thing that would be nice would be if we could actually show more information about what it is that's missing, and we could just show the actual the location or the URL or the name of the thing that you try to find. And it's quite common. You'll go to the About Us page and it'll say, sorry, we couldn't find the About Us page. Have you tried such a thing? And in order to do that, we can pass in, well, we can pass in props. But what's actually happening is React Router will pass in these arguments into the component for us. So all we need to do is specify them. The location has quite a few things to it, but the core thing that we're interested in is one called path name. And that's the actual URL that we were trying to load. So sorry, but the page cannot be found. So you could say test. Sorry, but the page test cannot be found, and so on and so on. So whatever is being passed in at the top, you can see that that is what's being displayed at the bottom. And just for the people who are quite sensitive, there isn't any injections that you can do. This is all cleaned up and sanitized, so you couldn't do like a script and start trying to do an alert, which would be naughty. This is just not allowed. It's formatted and escaped as you'd expect it to. So all of that has already been pre-thought of. So that's how you use the Miss to give yourself an amazing not found page. In the next tutorial, what I'm going to do is show you how we can use the URL to pass in information. So we could pass in a URL with data in it, or a particular URL, and grab the data components out. So that's coming to you in the next tutorial.